Hello students, Wild World by Cat Stevens was the newest piece that we've worked on. That was Saturday, it was given out. And if you look at the chords, it's considered a beginning arrangement. And we have A minor, and each chord is 2 strums down. D7, G, C, D minor, then E, then look at E sus4. Now that gets 1 strum, and the E gets a strum. Let me demonstrate. Ready, start. La 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 Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you want to start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving. Okay, and that's the piece. And then it goes on. What's interesting about this is it includes 4 riffs that are really integral to the piece. And the first one is riff 1, and you have to put your pick on the D string, and you're going to be doing. Let me show you. Remember, the numbers are the frets. So on D you have open, and then you have 3 on the D string, and you're playing the open strings above it. So it's open, stop D, and then these open strings above it. So that's the first riff. All right, let me go back. In context, I'm going back to but if you want to leave, 3, 4. But if you want to leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. And not a lot of nice things are bad out there. And then it goes on. Oh, baby, 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 it's a wild world. So that riff. Riff 2. Now, it does suggest it's being played as a pull-off. A pull-off would be playing the note and then tugging off of it. So it's again. Or you could just strike each one. So that would be 1 open, 2 open, 3 2 open, 3 3. It's going from the B string to the 6th string. Let me and then in context, it's hard to get by just up on a smile. And then riff number 3. That's the one I remembered the most. Riff number 3 is it's 2 strings and it's really only 3 notes. It's on the G string, then open A, and then on the A string 3rd fret. We'll get closer. And then the song continues from there. And let me go back into context here. So you have it's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. But I'll always remember you like a child girl. And then riff number 4 is the D minor chord, and you're starting on the D string, on the D chord on the D string. Then you play the E chord on the same string, and that's the let me go back to that one. So always remember you as a child, and then it's so I'm on the D string, and on the left hand I'm playing a D minor, just plucking the notes, arpeggiating it. Then on the E chord on the same strings, so it looks more complicated than it really is. And number 3 is the riff I think you should learn before the week is up. Take it slow. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. And then the other one is just the D minor chord and then E. Have fun and good luck.